Welcome to Trading Lounge and the ASX200, and on the daily chart here for a quick update. Because of the sharp move down, we need to look at it in two different ways. We can look at it from wave 4 here to wave 5 being completed now, with 1 and 2 here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here for the third wave, the fourth wave, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 here for the fifth wave of the fifth wave. So we can have a top in place. The other count too, which would line up with the S&P 500 as an alternative count as well, is to have this up here as just wave 1 and pulling back for wave 2 here. But either way, in terms of trading, the pattern's going to be the same, because this move down here can be an A wave, a B wave and a C wave, or wave 1 and wave 2 here, and they'll both have the same price action. They'll both have 5 waves down and 3 waves back up as a counter trend. So if we're going to play short in the market now, then we don't really want to be caught up in what's going to go on in the ending of the structure here and the correction here. Or we can trade intraday a little bit, but basically if we get 5 waves here, then we can look to short in this region when it tops out at this particular point here. We'll either get a wave 3 down or wave C. Now I have to say too that a sharp move down like this is normally it's normally a corrective wave. So if the market's moving up here, then wave A coming down is normally sharp, and wave B and then wave C on a bit more of an angle here. So we'll be able to see as this move here starts to move down if it's going to be moving down like this, or it's going to play out like this. But normally wave A is the sharpest. So this, in the bigger picture, this is quite a nice wave A here. So, but I don't know which one we're looking at, but we will see here. So this would be up for wave 1 here, an A and a B and a C, back to 6,000 as wave 2 here. So on the 4-hour chart, it would look a bit like this. Let me bring this into perspective a little bit here. So from the top here, we can look at wave 1 and 2 here, and then 1 and 2 of a smaller degree. Wave 3 and 4 is in here, and then wave 5. So we can expect the market to come down around 6.4 area here. The 6.5 number here is going to grab the attention of the market, and it's going to become a bit of a balance point. So as you can see here, with the trend, you've got the beginning, you've got the middle, and then you've got the ending process. Look, it may even dip down to 6.3 here on the 5th wave here. We just need to look at that as it goes. But normally if the extension's in wave 3 here, then we can look at wave 1 here and wave 5 being roughly the same length. So yeah, this is what we're looking at. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 down here, and then an A and a B and a C here. And this is the same sort of pattern that some of the metals have got as well. So like copper coming down, it's got the same pattern. Palladium coming down, it's got the same pattern here as well. So it is in the metals. It is Australia as such, being a mining. Australia is pretty much just a mining town, even though Sydney and Melbourne are, diverse enough to to have more of an equality sort of balance in things. But yeah, that's where we are. So I can go to a tick chart here if you like. So wave 1 and 2 here, then 1 and 2 here, and then all the way down here for 3 and 4 here, and coming down for 5. So in this one here, we're still looking for another little move down here to make wave 5 of 3 here. All right, I just want to give a quick update. Thanks for tuning in. Cheers.